Good morning and welcome to MyFinTax Chronicles for today 26 May 2025. Economic Outlook. India becomes fourth largest. India surpasses Japan, now world's fourth largest economy at $4 trillion GDP. India's GDP upswing. India's GDP may hit four-quarter high at 7.3% in Q4 FY25. Solar surge in Andhra. Jupiter, Indosol, Premier invests 77,000 rupees CR in solar production facilities. Legal developments. SEBI probes IndusInd. SEBI investigates delayed disclosures on derivatives at IndusInd Bank. SC weighs election reforms. SC suggests vote percent criteria even for uncontested election candidates. Banking and finance. Deposit insurance hike. Deposit insurance cap may rise from 5L to 10L by FY26. NBFC lifeline ready. RBI may lend to NBFCs and MFs during crisis to ease liquidity issues. Unsecured lending concerns. Indian banks see slower growth due to deposit and unsecured loan risks. BOI IT upgrade. Bank of India to invest 2,000 crore rupees in FY26 for tech upgrades. ARC's I securitization role. ARC urge RBI to approve their securitization trust role in bad loans. Corporate finance. Titan eyes Damas buy. Titan may buy 72% of Damas for 2,500 crore rupees to expand Gulf presence. JSW pains Axo deal. JSW may acquire Axo India for 9,000 crore rupees valuing 74.76% stake. Motherson eyes Marelli. Motherson plans bid for Marelli, may acquire $4.2 billion debt at discount. Adani eyes Pill stake. Adani leads race for Diamond Power stake, deal details awaited. Ashok Leyland's global push. Ashok Leyland eyes 25k exports by 2027, FY25 exports at 15,255 units. DLF's 10,000 rupee CR expansion. DLF to invest 10,000 rupee CR by FY27 in malls, office space, aims rental gains. International affairs. India hosts CA meet. India to host 5 Central Asia FMs to deepen anti-terror cooperation. Bangladesh unrest deepens. Protests rise in Bangladesh over Yunus-led interim government policies. Tax and compliances. CII moots tribunal reform. CII demands centralized tribunal oversight for faster dispute resolution. Ruan loses cess case. HC rejects Ruan plea against Adani over coal cess compensation. Investments and finance. NPS popularity grows. NPS subscribers surged 23% YoY, corpus crossed 11.5 trillion rupee mark. IPO wave raises 6.6 thousand rupee CR. 4 IPOs to raise 6,600 crore rupees next week, led by Schloss, Aegis Vopak. JSW steals growth plan. JSW targets 50 metric tons by FY31 despite BPSL legal issues and SC ruling. Leo India outpaces market. Leo India to outpace industry growth, added 40 plus clients last year. Range Rover eyes India. Range Rover plans new trims, expects surge in HNI buyers by 2030. Financial markets. Nifty nears key support. Nifty key support at 24,500, bounce above 25,200 may spark rally. FPI boosts equities. FPIs invest 18,350 crore rupees in Indian equities in May 2025 till date. IPO frenzy picks up. 4 IPOs set to hit market next week, targeting 6,600 crore rupees collection. ETFs gain popularity. ETFs rise 30% YoY, preferred by retail over mutual funds for returns. Global tariff risks persist. Trump tariffs renew trade worries. Global markets brace for volatility.